Bonsoir les amis, this is Llyane Stanfield and you can find me at parisianfrench.com. It is a little late today for most, I guess, it's still Wednesday. And I am going to continue the series of the past tenses, the 4 past tenses that we want to use when we tell our stories, when we speak to Parisians. So, episode 3 out of 5. So what I want to talk about today is imparfait. So, imparfait is the tense that is the most regular tense out there. Many people think that there is... Yeah, so a lot of people have a notion of the rule of to create the imparfait, which is a little wrong, is very wrong. But so the way to create imparfait is to take the verb in the present tense, at nous, first person plural, nous, and take away the ONS, and that's how you get the root of imparfait, and put the endings of the imparfait. I'm going to write everything for you in the description. So the endings for imparfait are IES, IES, IET, IONS, IOZ, AIENT. I'm going to conjugate a verb for you. And so I want to tell you how you use them. Anyway, so but let's finish with the rules of creating the verb. So creating the imparfait. So the way we create imparfait is this way. We get the root this way and we add the endings. The only verb that is the exception is être. And so, because think about it, nous sommes doesn't have the ending ONS. So you can't take that away because it doesn't exist. So the only way to create imparfait is just to have an arbitrary root, which is accent aigu T, and I'm going to conjugate this verb être in imparfait. But before I do that, I want to tell you when to use imparfait, right? And everything, all the past tenses are going to be inside of the webinar on Monday. So don't forget, on Monday, Boxing Day, we will have everything put together and how to put them together, how to use them in conversation, all the past tenses. So when do I use imparfait? In 2 situations. Either when in English I would say I was going, I was eating, I was singing, I was something ing, or when I would say in English I used to go, I used to eat, I used to drink. Okay, so those are the 2 situations, rule of thumb. Okay, I don't want you to get all geeky. You know, there may be more situations, but don't worry, don't fret, you know, just stay with these 2 and you can make conversation. So I'm going to conjugate the verb to be, être. J'étais, tu étais, il était, elle était, on était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient, elles étaient. So I'm going to write this in your description of this video at the end. And what else? Yes, the webinar is going to be on a Monday, Boxing Day. I'm going to put all these past tenses together for you. And also, right, the great special that have, you know, the bonuses that end tomorrow. So if I'm looking on the page, like 23 hours, and you know, that's all you have time left to register for Club Olala and to submit for the scholarships, because I do accept scholarships for this program. And yes, that's what I wanted to tell you today. Don't ever give up on your dream to become bilingual, learn Parisian French on Skype, and break the language barrier. Merci beaucoup et à demain. Au revoir.